Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2010 Ford Fiesta LX hatch. Stock reference number 4790. The shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 8th month 2013. There's a TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent as does the right front door, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, head unit and control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.